This particular house, it's a $4.5 million house. I know that because it just sold according to Zillow a few months ago. The new owner is renovating the house and they hired us to come in. So basically Hurricane Ian flooded this house and every house in this neighborhood. So back in here, we're taking out the rest of the stuff that some other demolition company started out. This is the master. They're taking out all the cabinets in the master. And here's the kitchen. The kitchen basically doesn't have any lowers rather. All the lowers got damaged by the flooding, so they were pulled out. So we're only going to take part of this kitchen because we can only sell the parts. A whole kitchen has value. Pieces and parts of the kitchen do not. So we're going to take the base cabinet here. We're going to take this cabinet. We're going to take the island. We're going to take out these cabinets here. 3 cabinets in the middle. The cabinet in the corner. And those cabinets against that wall. We're also going to get all these trinkets. All these decorative little cups. The plate. We're going to pull this safe. As you can see, they took out all this. We're taking out the rest of the drywall. So this is our selective demolition on this property here. Okay, so what this is the island that came out of a $4.5 million house that we did a demo on. Hurricane Ian flooded the house. It's down in a really ritzy part of Naples, and we didn't get a lot of stuff out of that particular interior demolition. Typically, we're getting a lot of stuff from these properties. In this case, we didn't get a whole lot. This hasn't been damaged by the storm. It is solid wood. So basically this is the only thing we really got that was worth anything. I think we did get a few cabinets and we sold them already, and I don't even know what we sold them for. But this is an island that came out of the $4.5 million house in Naples.
Yes.
So what would you price this at?
Well, based on first of all,
this is Raul.
Hey guys.
He's our warehouse manager. He runs, he sells all the stuff that we have here at the warehouse.
Come on down if you ever want to get good furniture.
Reuseitpros here in
right.
Bonita Springs.
So the first thing I looked at was the uniqueness of it. So you can tell it was a custom job. And so the granite top is unique to this bottom, right? You see the opening for the sink, right? And then one of the unique features is if you come around this side, you're going to see that it has a snack drawer. So that way when you can see what snacks are in there before you get them, right? So if you like snacks, this is the item for you. And I would price it around, I don't know, $14.99, brand new. It's about $6,000 easily.
I would agree that it would be that much. The other thing with the granite on this one, we could have salvaged the granite off of this house, but the granite had so many unique corners and cuts and stuff like that, we knew we wouldn't be able to sell it. So over here, this came out of that same house. We didn't get a lot of things to repurpose out of this house. There just wasn't much in the house, and they kept a lot of it. We got a lot of trinkets and stuff from there. But this set here came out. Basically what this was is probably was a wet bar or a powder room setup. So what would you ask for that? So it's got It's got good slides, but it's not soft close.
Solid wood.
It's solid wood. You see it here. It's plywood, which makes it solid wood. What would you ask for this?
Probably $349, $449.
Okay, so we'll say $449. All right, so we sold quite a few of these cabinets already. So the Reuseitpros in Bonita, we sell a lot of stuff. You know, it's been about a week since we priced this out, and so a lot of the stuff that we got back, we just don't have it to price. So there was at least another 10 cabinets. So these cabinets here, so this cabinet here, kind of an over the fridge cabinet. You know, what do you think we'd ask for that? Since it's going to be kind of a low use kind of a thing, low application.
All right, $150.
$150. Okay, so we'll put $150 on that. Okay. All right, so same $4.5 million house down in Naples, right on Doctor's Bay. These are some of the granite tops. There were a lot of granite tops in this kitchen. Most of them were, they had so many cuts and shapes in them. We know from doing this for a long time that we'd be very hard to sell them. So, but this one, and this one back here all came from that same house. So we're asking $400 for this one, $399 for that one, and $299 for that one. Okay. All right, these two right here with the glass, it's actually just one cabinet. So what are you thinking on that one?
I'll probably do the same for that one.
Okay, so we priced it at $129 here. So the so that's it. That's all we have to price for this particular junk removal or slash interior demolition, selective demolition. So thank you.
Thanks.
So an explanation on this video. A normal junk removal slash demolition that we do in this marketplace, we would normally, before Ian, we would have got the kitchen, we would have got the refrigerator, we would have got the office setup, the built-ins, we would have got the master and the guest bath vanities, so on and so forth. We would have got a miscellaneous amount, a whole bunch of miscellaneous furniture and decorations, and we would have gotten the other appliances like the stove, most likely a microwave, all this kind of stuff. So a normal demolition on this type of property, we would have given a credit and we would have gotten quite a bit more stuff, up to probably close to $20,000 worth of stuff that we could repurpose. And then we would have given them a credit against their bill for this. But because of Ian, we missed out on all those things. So normally, I just got a few items out of this house that we could repurpose. The rest of the items were they were damaged and missing. So basically, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.